everybody. Today is February 26th, 2026. And this is one I mainly did the work on yesterday. Another one. This one's a 1974 Evinrude 9.9. Actually purchased this motor yesterday. And I gave it a good tune-up. So it got dry shaft sealed, shift rod sealed, water pump propeller, carburetor rebuild, fuel hoses, clean and adjust on the points, the spark plugs. And that's about all it took. It also needed some new knobs. Anyway, it turned out well. It runs good. I'll show you this one.